Meron tayo ditong bagong Insta360 Luna Ultra, tara i-unbox natin. Pero gagamitin pa rin natin yung trusty DJI Osmo Pocket 3 natin to do all the filming. Quick kwentuhan muna tayo habang ina-unbox natin to. Kasi for sure, marami na kayo napanood ng Luna Ultra unboxing videos. I've been using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for almost 2 years na. Ilang beses na rin natin to na ROI through content creation. Ang original plan ko talaga was to get the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. Pero after a lot of research and comparing, I ended up choosing the Insta360 Luna Ultra. First reason ay yung detachable screen niya na may built-in mic. As someone na madalas mag-solo shoot, sobrang useful nito. Mas madali mag-compose ng shots at mag-monitor nang hindi umaasa sa phone app na kailangan pang i-connect every time. Second, yung form factor. Yes, medyo mukhang chicken fit yung built-in stand niya. Pero honestly, hindi naman siya ganun ka-issue sa akin. Mas importante sa akin na compact siya. Kapag naka-off naman, mas slim pa siya compared sa Pocket 4P. And as someone who likes to travel light, malaking plus yun. And lastly, co-engineered to with Leica. And honestly, this is probably the closest thing I can own to a Leica camera for now. At dahil hindi ito sponsored, makakasa kayo na puro honest opinions and feedback ang maririnig sa akin. At pagkatapos ng video na to, yung mga susunod na uploads ko ay mismong gamit na yung Insta360 Luna Ultra. Stay tuned and follow nyo ako for more tech and camera content.